going to wash this car. So we're gonna get rid of pretty much everything on the paint, including iron, tar, you name it. We're gonna do clay bar, iron removal. So, and then it's gonna make us so much easier for the polishing stage. You will see when we're doing the washing stage. Yeah, you need to do this until you feel it's gliding on the paint. Today I'm using wet coat to dry this car. So as you see, we've done the full exterior deep wash. So the next stage is going to be the interior full deep cleaning, plus it's going to be get conditioned as well. So you will see in our next steps.
So in this interior detail, our first step is going to be vacuuming the whole interior of the car. Using an interior detail brush makes the work so efficient. It helps to loosen up dirt in tight spaces, especially around the center console and the air conditioning vents. We already vacuumed the seats and we found out there are no obvious marks or dirt on the seats. We are using a steam cleaner even though there are no visual marks on the seats. Steam cleaning is one of the best cleaning methods. Use a microfiber to clean up the moisture and the dirt which were not visible to our bare eyes. Especially on these fabric seats, steam cleaning helps to loosen up the fibers and gives a fresh look to the seats. And same time, it's gonna feel fresh as well. So once you finish steam cleaning all the seats, we are going to be focusing on most used places in the car, mainly by the gear shifter, steering wheel, door handles, and especially cup holders. On this detail, we are using Wurth interior cleaner. This is a foam cleaner. Once you spray this to a panel, this is gonna foam up and loosen the dirt. We use an interior detail brush to agitate that and speed up the process. Then you wipe it off with a new cloth. For best results, use a good fluffy microfiber towel. Do repeat this process if you have stubborn dirt. Now we come to the final stage of our detail. So the cabin is now fully clean, but it is not protected yet. Once you clean the surfaces in a car, they tend to become dry. To prevent that and to secure it from UV rays from the sun, we need to apply a good interior protection. Apply it to a microfiber cloth or a pad and buff it off. This will not just protect the car, it will enhance the appearance as well.
Well, now we came to the final stage, which is our two-stage cut and polish, and we're gonna seal the paint with a 3 years or 5 years ceramic coating. First we're gonna grab the cutting compound and a cutting pad. So this is a Rupes high performance cutting polishing compound and a extreme cutting pad which I'm using. It's an 170mm diameter pad, and I'm using a random orbital polisher. So I'm gonna put 5 drops and then spread those to the panel. Use the lowest speed and spread the compound. I normally go 3000 RPM and then yeah. Well, now we've done the 2-stage paint correction for this truck. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply a 3-year ceramic coating for the car. So the crucial part for ceramic coating is the bonding with the paint. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean all the oil residues on the paint with a panel wipe. What we're gonna do is apply some panel wipe to the cloth and wipe it off. You're gonna get a clean panel to work with. This is a crucial step when you're applying a ceramic coating. Now you've seen we applied the ceramic coating for the panel. You can't really see on the camera the reaction with the ceramic coating, but now it is ready for wiping off. So this is what we call it leveling. So we level the coating and with a new cloth we wipe off the rest of the residue. So it's been leveled, polish. Well, we showed you how we got this truck to this stage. So this truck was stagnated for nearly 10 years and we did a complete interior detail and exterior paint correction and a 3 years protection with a nano coating. We used Gion 3 years coating for this car. So we're gonna be showing more videos in the future. So stay tuned onto our channel and thank you very much. Wow, this guy has been sitting here more than 15 years. So on this episode we are taking the challenge to do a complete detail on this 45 years old classic Mini Cooper which has been parked here for more than 15 years.